I was thinking about this Israel US joint attack on Iran. If you go by the facts and figures and the evidences that has been compiled by the new news media right now about how they succeeded to attack wherever Khomeini was mm, doing a meeting, then you will be amazed at the accuracy of the facts and figures. It is a compiled effort of 20 years to just neutralize the Iranian leadership. Is that a big enough ambition to have for a nation? Can we not utilize that kind of intelligence to create a green globe? Can we not neutralize the ever rising temperature of the earth? Are we not responsible for all that? What use then? Like a person without any resources, a person like me who has the dream of creating a better world, against nothing of of like these people are destroying the earth, and we are having a visioning, trying our best to create a better world. How can we, if the resources are utilized for such foul purpose? Can we condemn such kind of misuse of resources? What makes such people come to the helm of the affairs, so much so that they control the world politics scenario? Not positively, almost negatively, to destroy, self-destroy. Now Israel and US both are going to be defeated. If not entirely defeated, they are going to be destroyed substantially. What do they achieve by all this destruction? The people, the data scientists, the computer animators, whatever mechanism they had, if they had all their focus to eliminate the leadership in Iran, and that is all that ambition that they had, what use? Don't you think it is serious wastage of resources? I don't know. Can we not do something together? People who are not connected, not related, just people like us, who are just citizens of this earth, to counter these mad people like Trump and Netanyahu? Can we not do anything about this? I am so frustrated. I don't know.